You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to be doing a DIY glam project. I'm doing a DIY Kate Spade inspired wreath. I hope you enjoy. I picked up this round styrofoam as well as some ribbon from my local Spotlight store, and I had a wonderful idea in mind to make a very glam wreath. I also shopped my own home and found my gold glitter ribbon that I picked up at Christmas time. Starting from the right hand corner, I'm going to take my gold glitter ribbon first of all, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the wreath over and hot glue it to the back. Because this ribbon was see-through, it was very easy to burn my finger, guys. So I'm just using my scissors here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that ribbon and I'm just going to overlap very tightly around the wreath. Now this particular ribbon had a wonderful time shedding, guys. The joys of working with glitter. So I do recommend, if you are going to use a glitter ribbon, just be prepared for that, or possibly get one that does not have the glitter. So basically what you're going to be left with is the top part in the glitter ribbon. You're then going to take that black and white ribbon and you're going to do the exact same thing. Ready for that heartbreak? I could see this through. I could wait another night. You're going to continue over and under. Now your ribbon, guys, to go around a complete circle has to be on a slight angle. So make sure you go in really tight, just like I am here. Now once I came to the end of the ribbon, I had a space, which I had intended on anyway, adding beautiful flowers. I picked this bunch of flowers up from Kmart Australia, and I knew they'd be the perfect colours for what I had in mind. I removed each flower individually from the bunch, and then took my wire cutters and cut them short. Once I put the final flower in place, I then had this JoJo bow, also from Spotlight. And what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to hot glue it to the bottom of my wreath. Once it was secure and in place, I then took a piece of this glitter foam from my local dollar store. Now I had a template of a perfume bottle, and using that I traced out another one onto the glitter foam. I then took my scissors and cut it out. I also had a piece of pink glitter foam. Now I cut that out into a small square and I hot glued that to my perfume bottle. I then printed out a Chanel perfume bottle, and what I did here, guys, is I cut out the logo from the middle. I then hot glued that to the centre of my pink glitter foam. I then added this pretty brooch to the neck of the bottle, and then I hot glued the bottle to the wreath. And here is my pretty wreath. I'm so happy with how it came. Guys, do you like creating really simple DIYs? Well, this was certainly one of them. I loved taking really inexpensive flowers, some flower foam, as well as some pretty ribbon. And I was able to create this really pretty wreath that I was so inspired by the colours of Kate Spade.
Got like a million ideas what we could do, 'cause I'm not gonna let you slip away. I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about
This simple DIY could certainly take on so many variations. You could change the colour of your ribbon as well as the beautiful flowers. You could take away the Chanel perfume bottle and add something that is personalised to you. The possibilities are endless, guys, and it's truly up to you.
every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you.
Don't forget, if you choose to do one of my DIY projects, I'd truly love to see them. Follow me over at CHELLESGLAMHOME 2 on Instagram, and I'd truly love to see the beautiful photos that you all keep sending me. I absolutely love the colours of Kate Spade decor, and that was my inspiration, guys, for this wreath.
Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own glam wreath. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at CHELLESGLAMHOME.
Follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances.
So until Until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me.